Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making bourbon chicken. You will need 2 pounds of chicken breast, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of apple juice, 2 tablespoons of bourbon, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/2 cup of water. Make sure you have cleaned and dried your chicken, then slice into small bite-sized pieces. Now set your chicken aside until later. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your olive oil. Now saute your garlic for 1 minute. Now add your chicken and cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until your chicken has just started to brown. Remove your chicken from the pan and set it aside until later. To the same pan, add your water, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, apple juice, and bourbon. Now add your ketchup, cornstarch, red pepper flakes, and ginger, then whisk until well combined. Now add your brown sugar, then whisk until your sugar has dissolved. Return your chicken to the pan, then allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until your sauce has reduced. After your sauce has reduced, then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We'll get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you. Videos twice a week, enough to leave your pathway. And so